Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how to enable subtitle when you guys will do meeting by using Google Meet. So it's important for not native speaker to understand all the sentence once they're doing the meeting. So that's why I gonna show you how you guys will able to enable the subtitle in the Google Meet when you will do the meeting with your client, with your team by English language. So first of all, you have to join a Google you have to join a meeting by using Google Meet. So I'm going to show you, and I'm creating a test meeting and I will show you. Okay, so first you need to create a meet like here, and new meeting, instant a meeting. After that, once you join, okay, 1 second, I gonna remove this. Okay, there you go. So now, as you can see on here, just a second. Okay, I see. So suppose I join this meeting. Okay, so on here right now, Google give us this opportunity to use free, but previously it was the paid version. So only we were able to use this feature once we get the premium workspace, Google workspace. As you guys know what is the workspace, but right now it's the free. So everyone can use this feature once they're doing the meeting. Okay, so now as you can see in this bottom area, like beside this video icon, we are able to use like this. 1 second, I have to change my background. It's little weird. I'm using the virtual background. So just a second. This is fine. Just a natural one. Remove all. Okay, that's it. So natural one is fine. So now you guys able to see on here like this. Okay, turn on caption. So we should turn on the caption to see the subtitle or the caption. So once I click on here, I should see the subtitle on here like this. Okay, so right now whatever you guys are telling in this meeting, you will be able to see the subtitle on here. Okay, so I think this is a great feature by the Google Meet that offer free. So once you guys will join a meeting with your client, with your team, if they're if they're speaking by English, so you should enable the subtitle option on here so you can understand better their language. So I think this video will help you to enable this kind of feature in the Google Meet. So I will create this kind of video in near future, so you guys able to see it, and you can follow my Facebook, as well as you may subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.